Children, we are dealing with the like fractions and we know that we can add and subtract like fractions. In the last class, we studied how to add mixed numbers with the like fractions. Today we will study how to add and subtract simple like fractions. All of you listen here. Look here, first we will study addition of like fraction. We all know that what is meant by like fraction. We know that like fractions are fractions with the same denominator and a different numerator. Same denominator. So we can add these fractions very easily. How we will add? The denominator remains the same and we add only the numerator. All of you look here. This is a question. How will you add? First of all, we will add the numerator. 4 plus 2 plus 3 by, put a fraction bar, divided by 10. Because 10 is common to all these fractions. So we put one denominator 10 for all these numbers. That is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 by 10. This is the answer. While writing, you have to write down this one below the other. Don't write like this, only write like this one below the other. Next question. 2 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 4 by 9. How will you add this fraction? Very easy method. You can add the numerator and put fraction bar and then one common denominator, that is 9. That is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 4 by 9. That is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 by, put a fraction bar, by 9. This is the answer. Then look at the third question. 1 by 8 plus 4 by 8. How will you write? First of all, add the numerator. That is numerator here it is 1 plus, put the symbol plus, then here it is 4. Write down 4, put a fraction bar, then 8 is common to all these fractions. So we write here 8. That is equal to 4 plus 1, 5. Fraction bar by 8. That is 5 by 8 is the answer. Now you study how to add like fractions. First of all, add the numerator, put the fraction bar and the denominator is common to the fractions. Add the numerators and put the denominator. Now we are going to study the subtraction of like fractions. It is also the same as addition. Subtract the numerator, put the fraction bar and then put the denominator. All of you look here. Look at the first question. 10 by 40 minus 3 by 40. How will you write? Like the addition, we have to write first subtract the numerator. Here it is 10 and here it is 3 and the denominators are same here. So we can directly subtract 10 minus 3, put the fraction bar, then denominator is same. So we write here 14. That is equal to 10 minus 3. We know that 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 by 14. This is the answer. Write one below the other. Then second question. 15 by 25 minus 10 by 25. How will you find out the answer? First of all, subtract the numerators. That is, here it is 15. 15. Put the symbol minus. Then 10. Put the fraction bar. It is common to these numbers. So we put one fraction bar and we are writing down one denominator, that is 25. Then 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10. 5 minus 0, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer is 5 by 25. This is the answer. Then look at the third question. Look here, 9 by 16 minus 7 by 16. Here you have to subtract the numerator. 9 minus 7, common fraction bar. We are writing this as a common fraction. So we put one fraction bar and the denominators are same. So we put common denominator 16. That is equal to 9 minus 7. We know that it is 2. 2 by 16 is the answer. Then look at the fourth question. 16 by 20 minus 6 by 20. Here also we have to subtract the numerator. 16. Here the denominators are same. So we put common denominator. Here we are subtracting the numerator. 16 minus 6. Put a fraction bar. The denominators are same. So we write the common denominator 20 here. That is equal to 16 minus 6. We know that it is 10. 6 minus 6, 0, 1. So it is 10. 10 fraction bar, then 20. So this is the answer. So I hope now you understood the addition and the subtraction of like fractions. Do the given homeworks of your own.